Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the UAG Pathfinder SE Camo Series case. Now you can buy this from urbanarmagear.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $50. Now this is available for all of your iPhones and your Galaxy S9 and your Galaxy S9 Plus. Now before we check these cases out, let me show you two of my other favorite UAG cases. First up, we got the Monarch series. Now this case is a major go. You see that real leather trim. You got the real screws. This is an indestructible case. You only got to buy it once. It's always going to look brand new. It's going to last you forever. Maximum razivity on this one, so this is Slam Boy certified. Now my favorite UAG case is the Monarch series carbon fiber. Why? Because race car. You see that real carbon fiber trim? There go them screws again. Indestructible status, maximum razivity. This is my favorite one from UAG. Now, if you're wondering why the title of this video is Have You Seen My Phone, I'm going to show you why. But before we check out these camo cases, let's run through the features real quick. Now, you got armored shell and impact resistant soft core, feather-light composite construction, oversized tactile buttons, and easy access to touchscreen and ports. Scratch-resistant skid pads and screen surround. Now, these cases are Apple Pay compatible, wireless charging compatible, and they meet military drop test standards 810G. Now, if you watch my channel, you already seen the white camo case. This is tough. But now we're going to answer that question, have you seen my phone? Now, on a side note, UAG did not pay me to make this video. They didn't even ask me to review these cases. I just got this box in the mail. I didn't even know it was coming. I thought I was getting trolled, and let me show you why. Now, I got a box in the mail that said UAG. I opened it up, and this is what I seen. Here we go. Have you seen my phone? Now, I got to keep it real with y'all. When I first opened up this box, it was Father's Day. I was a little under the influence, about 20 beers. I just glanced over. I thought it was an empty box. It was kind of light. I just closed it back up. I had this sitting on my table for about 2 weeks. I just happened to breeze through it again, and check this out. Look closely. There's two cases underneath there. So have you seen my phone? That's the name of this campaign. Shout out to UAG. I'm definitely feeling this. All right, so let's pop this open and see what it is. Now, this is actually a piece of glass. I like that. Here we go. Pathfinder SE Camo Series. So we'll start off with the black version. Look at this. This is sick. Now, this is just like the UAG, the plasma, you know, the blue ones. I showed y'all these all the time. Not real screws. Okay, but it just gives it that rugged look. UAG branded. It's all about the camouflage theme. All the cutouts and buttons. On the inside, you got that honeycomb pattern. That's for shock absorption. Let's slap the iPhone on and see slap the iPhone in and see what it looks like.
I'm not sure I understand.
All right, chill out, Siri. Trolling me in the video. Look at the razivity on this case. All right. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, there's your buttons. Let's check wireless charge. Look for that red light. Wireless charge on deck. This one is sick. All right, let's leave this right here for dramatic effect. Have you seen my phone? No clickbait titles. I didn't make that up. All right, so let's pop this one off. Let's check out the green version. Now, this one right here. This is going to be my new daily case. Green camo is my favorite with the orange for the summer. This is sick. You see your power button has ridges on it so you can easily feel it. Same thing with your volume up and down. You got plus and minus. Cutout for your vibrate switch. All the cutouts. Honeycomb pattern. Let's check that razivity. Look at this. Let's check the Slam Boy test. Slam Boy certified. Wireless charge on deck. Hit them buttons. This is sick. All right, so anyway, this is a quick video right here. I just wanted to show y'all these camo cases. Now, like I said, I didn't know I was getting these cases in the mail. Shout out to UAG. This might have been a gift. It is what it is. There's an old saying, don't ever look a gift horse in the mouth and call me Stevie Wonder. All right, shout out to UAG. I respect that. Anyway, these are the Camo Series cases. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google Plus. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, when to beam up. Energize.